Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Today is December 10th, 2024. Beautiful Tuesday morning. We are headed to a doctor's office. We're gonna go get checked out for some STDs. Just kidding. We're gonna go to this doctor's office and look for a gas leak. This guy called me up and said that the gas company had came out and shut his gas down and locked him out of the meter. Luckily, this gas line's going to a vacant suite, so it's not high priority, but we are going to go over there and see if we can go ahead and get it taken care of for him. I think we found our leak. Wow.
What are you doing?
Alright, guys. Found the connection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to cut it right there and peel the mill tape back. And put a new riser in, because that thing is fucking toast. But that will be for another day. Yeah, so we're just leaving the doctor's office. As you could see, the top of that riser was blown the fuck out. So I got enough of it peeled back where I think I can maybe save us from having to tear up the sidewalk and shit. So I called him up and let him know what was going on, and we're going to end up going back over there later on this week maybe, and we're going to cut that 3-inch PVC back a little bit more and see if we can cut that old riser off and get to some good pipe. And I've got to look and see if I already have some 1¼ I believe I do. Save me from buying a roll. And see if we can't handle it that way. Put a new riser on there. So we're about to head now to the church. Alright guys, we're good to go in here. No water coming out. Last time we had water coming out of the wall right here. Looks like everything is good. Alright guys. They always say, damn, you got pretty cock. I say, yeah. Thanks for noticing. Alright guys, So we got that urinal reset, tested, everything is good there. I just got another call that came in for a stoppage, and I may try to go ahead and run that call. It's a whole house that's stopped up, so we'll probably go check it out and see what's up. Alright, looks like we got it. Wipes. Motherfucking wipes. Fuck. It's like a fucking afro. All right. Alright guys, we got that one taken care of. Pulled out some hair. I guess it was hair. I don't know what the fuck it was, honestly. Looked like hair. And some wipes. So everything's flowing. And stuck a hose down there. Ran some water for about 10 minutes or so. Make sure it wasn't going to try to back up on me. But the tenant pulled up, and I explained to her everything that just happened. So we are good to go. So I guess this is where I'm going to end this thing for the day. I got a few things I need to go take care of. So till the next one.